Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurrapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's modern lifestyle gives us all one thing free for sure, and that is stress. And stress is the root cause of all the diseases, especially diabetes. So how to address it? There are numerous ways of dealing with it, but one of the most cheapest and affordable remedies is meditation. Meditation is a tool with which you can tame your breathing pattern. And surprisingly, how you breathe decides your mood and tells about your personality. If you are in a habit of shallow breathing, you'll always be irritated and restless. But if you're in a habit of taking complete deep breaths, you'll be altogether different person. You'll be very calm and composed. So please do not ignore the power of meditation. It helps big way in controlling your pulse rate. If you're in a habit of meditating, you will observe that your pulse rate throughout the day will be very low, and that is one of the parameters which tells that your body is in a very peaceful and restful state. So right from today, please start meditating. So on that note, I'll be sharing my today's recipe, which is red pepper and tofu. Now this is a very spicy curry, and if you cannot handle spice, please do not try it. Now I have a habit of going oil free 2 days in a week. I don't consume oil at all, but I am a foodie and I like yummy food. So this is one of the curries which I include on those days. And if you're, I'm telling you another method also in which you can prepare the gravy in oil also. But again, if you're going for an oil-free recipe, then please cook and instantly consume it. Don't keep it in fridge because it may go stale and it may not taste that good. So let's go into the kitchen and check it out. Thank you so very much. Before I sign off and before I dig into it, I just want to request you all that if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking on my picture above. I'll keep coming every week with one new interesting recipe. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you so very much.